A Robo MYGA annuity combines a multi-year guaranteed annuity with digital convenience. It offers a fixed interest rate over a set term, typically 3 to 10 years, and is managed through an automated platform, bypassing traditional advisors. They provide user-friendly platforms for comparing annuity interest rates, saving time and offering a streamlined process for those who prefer a hands-off approach. However, Robo MYGA annuities lack personalization. Algorithms suggest products based on limited data, often missing nuances like tax planning and specific retirement needs. They also offer limited product flexibility and lack human support for complex financial decisions. Personalized financial advice considers individual circumstances, offering tailored plans and comprehensive analysis. A financial advisor can integrate tax planning and provide ongoing support, ensuring your financial strategy adapts to changing needs and aligns with long-term goals. While Robo MYGA annuities offer convenience, they can't replace the personalized touch of a financial advisor. For complex financial situations, professional guidance ensures all aspects of your financial life are considered, leading to better long-term outcomes.